Uh-oh, uh-oh, I spilled the apple juice, uh-oh. Mommy, I'm so sorry now, the kitchen is a mess.
Honey, don't worry, we'll clean it up in a hurry. Next time be more careful, but there's no need for distress. I love you, this always will be true. Every single day I love you more and more.
Up in a hurry. Flower pots can be replaced, but not you, my princess. I love you, this always will be true. Every single day I love you more and more.
They really are a mess.
We caught you. In the backyard we saw you making little mud pies, so you might as well confess. I love you, this always will be true. Every single day I love you more and more.
I love you, this always will be true. Every single day I love you more and more. I love you, this always will be true. Every single day I love you more and more and more.
Hey, Huggy, can I play ball with you? No, I'm okay. Well, you don't seem okay. Look, I just want to play by myself. Okay, but first I have something to tell you. I got cookies in my bag. I see you like one or two. I could keep them for myself, but I'd rather share them with you. I've got crayons in my box. I see that you need a few. I could keep them for myself, but I'd rather share it with you. 'Cause sharing is caring, sharing is love. Whenever we're sharing, it feels just like a great big hug. I like swinging on the swing. I know you like to swing too. So I say, hey, let's take turns, 'cause I'd rather share it with you. Really? Got a new computer game. I know you like to play too. Of course. So I say, hey, let's take turns, 'cause I'd rather share it with you. 'Cause sharing is caring, sharing is love. Whenever we're sharing, it feels just like a great big hug. I've got friends you want to meet, books to read together. You've got moves that can't be beat. Sharing makes them better. is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. Brush, 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 brush.
This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning.
Wash, 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 wash. This is the way we get dressed, we get dressed, we get dressed. This is the way we get dressed so early in the morning. Dress, 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 dress.
This is the way we pack our lunch, pack our lunch, pack our lunch. This is the way we pack our lunch so early in the morning.
Pack, 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 pack. This is the way we go to school, go to school, go to school. This is the way we go to school so early in the morning. School, school, school. One more time now. This is the way we go to school, go to school, go to school. This is the way we go to school so early in the morning. School, school, school. School is fun. Yeah!
Noah, Gigi, time to come in. Wait a minute, you two. Aren't you forgetting something?
The very first thing we should do when we come in the house is...
Wash your hands. Washing, 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 washing. Kill those germs, kill those germs. Wash them down the drain, wash them down the drain. Now it's your turn, now it's your turn.
Muggy, Muggy, time to wash your hands. Washing, 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 washing. Scrub, 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 scrub. Rinsing, 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 rinsing.
Now dry off, now dry off.
You're right, Kiki. Wash each finger, wash each finger, and both thumbs, and both thumbs. Rub your hands together, rub your hands together. Now you're done, now you're done.
Well then, now it's time to start cooking supper.
Jen, aren't you forgetting something? Washing, 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 washing. Kill those germs, kill those germs. Wash them down the drain, wash them down the drain.
Now it's your turn.
Now it's your turn.
Wash your hands.
I don't want to clean my room. I don't want to wake up early. I don't want to brush my teeth or take a bath or go to sleep. I just want to watch TV and eat a lot of chocolate ice cream. Want to play my video games and hide and seek and Simon Says. I don't wanna, no way. I'm not gonna, no, not today. Hey! No! brush my hair.
I just wanna text my friends and listen to my favorite music,
Or go to the amusement park
and ride the roller coasters there.
I don't wanna, nope, no way. I'm not gonna, nope, not today.
So, have you gotten it out of your system?
Sorry, Mom, sorry, Dad.
We will try to do what you ask us to do.
Come here. Let's get you guys to bed. It's a school day tomorrow.